Hi there and welcome. Today we are going to be making a breakfast casserole and we are going to cook it up in the air fryer. The air fryer that I will be using today is the Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. All right, I am starting off with 4 eggs, and to that I'm going to add about 1/4 of a cup of milk. I'm going to whisk these eggs up. And for the hash browns, I'm going to be using these potatoes O'Brien. If you don't want the onions and peppers, you can certainly use the plain frozen hash browns. I added 2 cups of the frozen hash browns to that. Now I am going to add some sausage. What I did, as you can see here, I just took some leftover sausage patties that I had and chopped it up. You can use bacon, ham, whatever you like, or you can leave out the meat altogether and just add some veggies if you want. Or if you want to add a little bit of all 3, go right ahead. Mix this up just a little bit. Now I'm going to add some salt and pepper to taste. And I'm going to add 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Now this is optional. I'm just going to add a little bit of hot sauce. What I'm going to use to put this breakfast casserole is the cake pan that came with my air fryer. You can use any oven-safe dish that will fit into your air fryer, or if you have any of those disposable foil tins, that would work absolutely great also. I'm going to spray this pan a little bit with olive oil. Hit the sides also. We don't want that casserole to stick. Just pour it right into our pan. All right, we are ready to pop this into the air fryer. I have the air fryer set at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm starting off for 20 minutes. This just finished up. I did add 7 more minutes to the cooking time because those eggs were not quite ready. So far we have a total of 27 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's check this out. I'm going to insert a knife in the middle. If this knife comes out clean, then this is ready. Clean as a whistle. All right, I am going to take a taste for you. I do have an egg sensitivity, but I really want to see how this turned out. So hopefully I won't regret it. That is quite nice. Very nice. Potatoes are perfect. Them eggs are cooked. I have a feeling Jim is really going to like this. He loves his breakfast. Delicious. I have a ton more air fryer recipes, and these 2 right here I think you would enjoy watching next. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.